Okay, whenever you are replacing this rear wiper blade, some of you may be pulling on this and wondering why it's not coming off. There's going to be a clip right here, and you're going to pull it out. And then what you'll see is that you'll see a nut here, but what it'll do is allow you to open this up and have a little bit more space to work on. So after you've opened this up, you're going to open this portion up, and the connector is going to be right here. What we're going to do is you're going to bend it, and it may feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. And then you're going to open this portion right here, and it will come off. And then we're going to compare the new one and old one here in a second. So this is the product for the 2008 Toyota Highlander. This is the part number R1216. And we've aligned it up where you've seen the new one versus the old one. New connector here, and we're going to install it. First, what we're going to do is we're going to take off this plastic portion right here. We're going to make sure that it aligns up correctly. I'll show you the install. So to show you a little bit of the connector inside here, what we're going to do is we're going to place it inside here, move it, and then it'll snap in. Press that back in, close the latch, and you are done.